Hi, my name is Richard Torres. It's been a while since I've done a YouTube video. Um, yeah, I've been watching a lot of this TikTok and YouTube about the flat Earth and sorry about that, about the flat Earth and the globe Earth. And I've come to the conclusion we might have a little bit of both going on here. Well, first of all, let's talk about satellites. And I know for a fact and most probably a lot of you have already seen it, that the satellites are on big weather balloons and they attach all their instrumentation and their gadgets to this. And it basically they send it up to the stratosphere where there is two currents going either way. So basically, what they do is they send them up, and then it gets caught with the upper atmosphere, and it takes it around the planet, and it usually lasts about 100 days on the before they have to call it back down again. And they release hundreds and thousands of them, you know, constantly. So it keeps us connected, mobile, Wi-Fi, all that kind of stuff. And the remaining of our communication is under the ocean, under big giant cabling. I've seen them, and there's actually diagrams where they show you it goes from one country to another, and so forth and so forth. That's why it took so long, because they had to install those things, obviously. And because they can't actually leave this environment, all the stories you hear about space, the moon landing, and Mars missions, and all the films that they're coming down with, showing us, oh, this is Mars, this is that. It's not Mars, it's Earth. And there's actually a YouTube video guy that actually shows you exactly where it is. If you bother to do your research, you'll find it. So that's that part. Now, there's been a lot of glitches going on that I do believe is part of the holographic system breaking down. And also because we are passing some kind of magnetic cloud, which is also affecting the technology. So that's why all this chemtrailing's been going on. They're trying to block out what we can see. And lately, people have been seeing a lot of extra suns and a lot of extra moons. So that's definitely weird in itself. We've found people just stopping in mid stride, frozen like you put a film on pause. Things like that. Even birds in mid flight, frozen in the sky, motionless. Even there's been like monoplanes with banners at the back, frozen in the sky, absolutely not moving at all. Things like that. So my theory is that we might be on a flat Earth simulation, but I believe we're under the ocean in a dome city covered by obviously invisible. Now, what do they call it now? There's a term for it. It's called uh, transparent aluminum or transparent whatever. It's a metal that you can see through, and that plus they use holographic technology to fake the sky, to fake the moon, because in actual fact, there's been evidence that the sun is actually coming through the clouds in our environment. It's not out there in space, and it's not as far away as they say it is, just like the moon. And they also discovered that there's also a fake sun in front of our sun because it's been losing its oomph and they don't want people to know it. for whatever reason these Illuminati are doing this. I don't know. But well, that's basically it. I believe that we're actually on an ocean, underneath the ocean, in a dome. That's why they say the firmament as above as below, the waters. That's a biblical thing. And also, I believe that barrier that's around us, the ice barrier, is to keep us from seeing other things that are going on. Basically, we're in a petri dish, and we're the experimental animals, as they say. So that's about it. I can't think of anything else right now, and if I think of anything, I'll upload it. Okay. Till then, thanks.